Okay, I've had these on for probably going on like 2 weeks, so you can see the growth. It's time for them to come off. A couple are just a little loose or wiggly. You know the feeling when it's time to, and I usually soak them off, but I got this nail glue remover, so we're gonna give it a try. It comes with a couple of little tools to kind of pry up the edges. So I'm just gonna put it under like the edge, just kind of where it's already lifted, and it just dispenses really easily. Get a little tissue here. And then I'm going to use the little tip to just kind of pry it up and just kind of hold it there. Oops. And it just kind of penetrates, and it's going to break down that glue. And if you lift it up, you can put another little drop under the nail, and it kind of gets up, you know, a little further. You can just kind of like slowly work it up. And you don't, if it's painful, you don't want to like push it. You just want to let it do its work. So we're just going to put another little drop in there and kind of give it a little time to just dissolve that glue. It's coming up really easily. I'm being very ginger because, you know, you don't want to damage your nail. And if it's not ready to come up, it's not ready to come up. So you just have to be patient with it. It's really lifting. And again, you don't want to tear. You want to let it come up on its own. So just be patient with it. And if you need just a little bit extra, especially like right on the free edge, I find that that's where mine just really attach like the strongest. And I don't want to tear my free edge. But this is like 90% off except for that free edge. And I'm just giving it a little wiggle. I'm not pulling. I'm letting it do its work. There we go. It's off. Okay. So there's my nail. And I think it kind of disintegrated the nail a little bit, so some of the color transferred. So I'm just going to put a little bit on there and just wipe the rest of that glue off. And I'm ready for, you know, I'm just going to do this on all my nails, and then I'm going to prep them for the new set. So it works pretty nicely. The alternative is to just do a soak off. And I do that all the time. But this is for when you don't want to just spend, you know, 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes with your fingers in a bowl. Works pretty quick.